Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Let's start the day with the date and day. Who is going to tell me what is the date today? Today is 17th of April 2026. And what is the day today? Very good. Today is Friday. Friday को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? शाबाश. फ्राइडे को उर्दू में जुमा कहते हैं. जुमा को अरबी में क्या कहते हैं? यौमुल जुमा. और इस्लामिक तारीख है 28 शवाल. Learn about shapes, and I know you can identify different shapes and you can find out different shapes around your surroundings. Okay, let's start with this shape. And who is this? And he is looking at you and asking his name. What is this? Very good. It's a circle. It's a circle. And it's look like a round and it does not have any corner. Can you find out different round shapes around you? Just look at your surrounding and see how many round shapes are there. Okay. Oh, I have seen a clock. It's in round shape. And did you find out any other round shape around you? Okay, you have seen a toy in a circle shape or in round shape. Okay, now we have another shape, and this shape is looking at you and asking name. What is the name of this shape? Yeah, it's a square and it has 4 sides, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 equal sides and its name is square. Now what you have to do, you have to look around and find out different squares at your homes. Okay, I have found a window in square shape. And did you find something in square shape? Okay, you find out. Okay, now we have another shape, and as you can see, it's looking at you and asking the name. And we know that which shape is this? Which has 3 sides. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. So now we will see how many triangular shapes or the shape which has 3 corners around us. Just look around and find out different triangles. Okay, did you find something? Now we are moving to the next shape, which is a rectangle, and as you can see, it has 2 equal sides and then 2 other equal sides, and it's a rectangle. Now you have to find out different rectangles around you. Can you find out? Yeah, door is also in rectangle shape that you have at your home. And can you find out other rectangle shapes? Okay, you have to find out different rectangle shapes. And now we will see the next shape. Now we have a shape which is loved by all the kids, and you love to see this shape on your notebooks and sometimes on your faces. What is the name of this shape? Yeah, it's a star. It's a star, and you love stars. And you can find out on your notebook. And it has 5 sides. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sides and it's a star. Now we are moving to the last shape, and it's looking very nice and saying hi to you. What is the name of this shape? Yeah, it's an oval. It's an oval. And can you find out oval around you? It's very easy to find out. It's winter season and you are eating eggs. So the shape of the egg is also an oval. And now you have to think about different oval shape that you find out at your home. Okay, you have to find out different oval shapes around you. So these are the shapes that we have seen so many times. Now we will see some other shapes. Okay kids, now what we are going to do, as you can see, we have different shapes, and first of all we will see how many shapes do we have. It's an it's a rectangle. As you can see, it has two equal sides and then two other equal sides. So it's a rectangle that we have today. And then we have another shape. As you can see, which shape is this? It's a triangle. It's a triangle. We have a triangle and a rectangle. Then we have a square. And amazingly, I have made this square with the two triangle. So here we have two triangle. Now we are combining it and it will make a square. So now we are going to make different objects with these shapes. Okay, so we have so many shapes with us. We have rectangle, we have triangle, and then we have triangle with. So now we are going to make different objects with these shapes. Okay, now we have these shapes, and first of all we will count how many shapes do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles, and now we will try to make an object with these shapes. So first of all, I have keep a triangle on the table. Now I am putting it another triangle that will make a rectangle. Look at this. And you have to think about that, what we are going to make today. Now we are putting it like that, and then another shape. Does it make a shape? No. So we have keep the other triangle with it. Now we are putting another triangle with it. Now we will keep one more triangle, and now we are making it equal. Now can you guess what we are making? It's very easy to make different object with the shapes. Okay, here we have a house. That we have made with shapes. You can also make different objects with these shapes. So we have made a house with different triangles, and then we have made a rectangle here, another rectangle, and a triangle, and we made a beautiful house with these shapes. Okay kids, now we have 3 triangles and we will make another object with it. First of all, we have made a house, and now we are going to make another object. Can you guys guess what we are going to make today? Okay, I am keeping it a triangle like that. Now I am putting it over here, and now we will keep this kite with it. And see, we have made another object with the shapes, another thing with the shape, which is a kite. And for making these objects, I am using these shapes, and you can just cut down the shapes on any chart paper, and then you can make different object of your choice. Okay, so you have to make the shapes with the chart paper, then you can make object of your choice. So now, can you guess what we are going to make next? What do you want? What should we make now? Okay, now we have two more triangles, and now we will make a simple another shape with it. So which shape we are going to make next? Okay, now we will just keep it like that, and we have made a diamond shape with these triangles. So it's a diamond. And what should we make next? Now you have to think about that, and you have to make another object with the shape. Now we have some other colorful shapes, and here we have square, triangles and circle of different color. Now what we are going to make, and what can you make with these shapes? Let's see what we are going to make, and you can make different object of your choice. I am keeping a square here, and what is the color of the square? Red. We are putting a red square. Now we are keeping a blue square with it. Now we are keeping a green square with it. So we have keep three squares, one red, one blue and one green. Now we are putting circles for making wheels. Oh, I have told you a guess. I am putting a blue circle, and what is the color of this circle? Very good, a yellow circle. Then what is the color of this circle? A green circle. So we have kept three circles with it, and now it's looking like something. Can you guess what is this? Okay, now we are putting a triangle over it, and now it's looking like something that we are using for traveling from one place to another. Yeah, it's a train. It's a train. So we have made a train with different shapes, and you can also make different shapes with the chart paper shapes and the blocks that you may have at your home. So we can make anything that we want. Now we are going to make another thing. Let's see what we are going to make next. Can you guess what we are going to make? Okay kids, now we are making another object, and this time we have three squares and two circles with us, and we have different color circles and different color squares. Now can you guess what we are going to make? Let's start making of another object. Now we are putting a square, and what is the color of this square? Yeah, it's a blue square. And now we are keeping another square. What is the color of this square? And can you guess what we are going to make? Does it make sense now what we are going to make now? Okay, now we are putting two circles, and what we have made, it's look like a car. It's look like a car. So with two circles, and how many squares we have used? We have used three squares and two circles, one yellow and one blue. Very good. So we have made a car. Now we are going to make other object. Now we are going to make another object. I have placed a circle. Now we have two squares with it. And what do you think? What is this? It's look like a man. It's look like a man. Okay, now you have seen we can make different objects with the circles, and now we will quickly name and color the shapes. What is this shape? It's a square. It's a square. Why it is square? Because it has four equal sides. So it's a square. Now I am keeping it, and now it has two other equal sides and then two other equal sides. What is the name of this shape? Which is look like that, and it's also look like that. We have made a rectangle with two squares. It's a rectangle, and it's also a rectangle because it has two equal shapes and then two other equal shapes. So we have a rectangle. Then what is the name of this shape? Very good. It's a circle. It's a circle. Why is it circle? Because it does not have any corner and it's look like a round. It's look like a round. So it's a circle. Then we have a triangle. Then we have a triangle. And how many sides it has? It has three sides and it's a triangle. It's a triangle. So we have learned shapes and we have learned that we can make different objects with the shapes. You have to cut down different shapes from a chart paper or anything that you have or any box wrapper. You can cut down different shapes, then you can make different objects. Okay.